an existing strategy, what you will learn in this channel, you can also add it to your own strategy to make sense. Okay, very good. So thank you very much for welcome to this video. I really appreciate you for coming here and then showing your interest in watching this video. So this is Angel Forex Academy, and the purpose of this channel being open is for educational purpose. Okay, educational purpose, and by God's grace, I will be revealing a lot of things in this channel that will help a lot of traders out there. Yeah, so every video I bring out is for educational purpose, to review a whole lot of things about the charts. This chart you're seeing, there's a whole lot of information on this chart which many traders don't understand. So I believe this will help struggling traders, and I decided to reveal every single thing on this channel to help a lot of people. So whatever you find educating and revealing, take one strategy, hold on to that one, work on it over and over again, and perfect it. Okay, don't be distracted, just hold on to it and perfect it. So if you have an existing strategy, what you will learn in this channel, you can also add it to your own strategy to make sense. Okay, very good. So thank you very much for coming over to this channel. I really welcome you. I welcome you. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, I'm giving a free spike detector. I'm giving free strategies on this channel as well. So in the description below, you can join my Telegram channel. You can request for the free spike detector if you want. Okay, it's not 100% accurate though. That's why it's called spike detector, for spike trend only, not for normal trend. Okay, and then use it and then work it. So I'm not a 100% indicator person. That's when I was growing, I used it then, but now I'm normal plain chart price action trader. Okay, so those who are still coming up who want to use it, you can use it. Those who don't want, it's not by force. Okay, so if you want it, want to try it, I want to test it out, I'll give it to you. If you want to use it to trade, I'll give it to you. Okay, if you want to use other strategies also, you can also have those strategies for free. Everything you see on my channel is free. All you have to do is join my Telegram channel, subscribe to this channel, share, like, and share, and then you will have access to everything that I'm putting out there for free. Okay, so thank you guys. So let's go straight into the business for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.